Leadwell machines have been sold in the UK for over 30 years, and this machine here is in stock, so it could be on your shop floor within 1 week. Let's go get the specification from the application specialist. So, Dan, on the shop floor within a week, impressive.
Yeah, no, it's a brilliant machine. Obviously a quick turnaround, being readily available quickly is ideal for everybody, yeah.
Right, okay, we've got some interesting things that we want to tell you about in a few moments. Nice 5-axis machine. This setup is quite interesting.
Yeah, it's just it's based around the machinist or the operator. So with the actual tilt axis rotating towards you, it's easy prove out. Just allows you to see the component, whatever axis, whatever rotary tilt you're at, or whatever position. It's just easy to manage the component and prove out components. Brilliant.
Is that important to an engineer to have that easy access?
Yeah, so maybe this is aimed for a contract machine shop, so like multiple or small batch components. It's easy pass off, easy prove out stages. So it's a production machine when you need it, but it's also very easy for the operator to use.
Okay, small footprint.
Yes.
But the travels are quite good here.
Yeah, so we've got an X510 and a Y410 and a ZF383. So there's plenty of room. You've got a big rotary unit that you can, for instance, we're using a pyramid to really utilise the machine's capability. But going forward, you could have just a big vice with a large billet on there to really capitalise on the machine's footprint. And
you mentioned a job shop. How many tools are on here? Because this kind of works quite nicely, having so many tools.
On this particular machine, it's been spec'd with 40 tools with a 12K spindle. And what we've done is utilise this Lang pyramid in order to utilise the spindle's tooling. So we could have 3 different components on this pyramid at the same time, and split that tooling up within the carousel.
And what's that going to do then for the engineer?
It will give you a certain amount of unmanned machining. It gives you more cycle time because you've got 3 components at the same time. There could be a small component, there could be a large. Just utilising the machine better allows the operator to go to another machine.
Pushing it to its limit.
That's it, yeah, effectively, yeah.
And the spindle, is this standard?
So it's been upgraded on this. It's normally standard a 10K, but we've upgraded it to a 12K spindle. It's mainly based towards non-ferrous material. You can cut steels more than adequately, but the 12K gives you a bit more advantage towards non-ferrous materials, such as like nylons and aluminiums. So it's an all-round, it's all good all-rounder.
Yeah, again, perfect for a job shop.
That's it, yeah.
And tool diameters?
So you can utilise up to 150mm tool diameters. So with these pyramids, you could probably do like a one-off component and use a large slitting saw to take it off. So you've got, like, they call them like snap-offs. Again, utilising machines, it's just a great benefit. Effectively, your second op would be minimum, so then you can use it more for a production machine then.
It's a Leadwell machine sold by WH Lead, but their parent company is White House Machine Tools, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. So White House, we've got a great amount of support, applications and service, and WH Lead can take from that if needs be. Service has, say, a 1-day turnaround. Application support is available either on the phone, emails, or if we need to pop in and do a site visit, etc. So WH Lead does have a big backing, and it's very helpful.
So it's readily available in stock. Dan, from your perspective, what do you like about this?
Just very easy to use. You can see what you're doing with the door closed. You can still access all the windows around the outside. Easy prove off. It's great for any subcon manufacturer. Yeah.